Hey friends, if you wish to change web camera permissions on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. Select camera in the right pane. Wait for the list to load. Okay, make sure that the camera access button is on, and then you can change camera permissions for specific applications. Like you may allow it for a certain application or not, like you may allow it for Slack or not allow it for Slack. I would disallow it for Slack. Now this doesn't mean that you cannot use your camera on Slack at all. You will be prompted to grant permissions when you're trying to use it on the app, and it will redirect you to the same page, and you can turn the switch on from here. So I usually keep it off for any suspicious application, but you can choose according to your requirements. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.